all know what is happening out there in the world right now. You know it, I know it, but I can't say anything about it because I will be demonetized.
Story numero uno, speaking of our episodes being suppressed and demonetized, it's because of a thing that I can't say anymore. Right, I can't say any of the that's happening in this place. This place right here.
Just kidding, I only got 153 subscribers here and I can be monetized. Anyway. So subscribe guys so that I can be monetized and then they can suck the money out of this video if they want. But there is still a risk they can delete this video if I say the name of the so let's just call it CV from now on. Let's begin, shall we? Your video is as disgusting as your hands are because we touch them at least 50 times a day, and for certain, their phone literally glued to their hands. One of the most important rules to avoid catching the CV is to wash your hands regularly. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Avoid close contact with people in crowded places, especially indoors, and avoid touching your eyes and your mouth.
Today, start working on not touching your face. Not touching your face.
Everybody wash your hands.
So, if a smartphone is one of the objects we touch the most throughout the day, shouldn't we also clean them? Short answer, yes, but there is more to this. Your smartphone is covered by a thin oleophobic layer that repels water and prevents grease from sticking to your phone. Although that layer doesn't make your phone grease or droplet proof, they still play an important role in making your smartphone feel smooth and easily cleanable by just a swipe using, for example, your clothes. That's one of the reasons why a new phone will be more appealing to the touch compared to a 2-year one. But while that's a good idea to clean them, be mindful that using the wrong disinfectant can do harm to your device, like destroying that oleophobic layer, damaging the screen, accelerated discoloration of your device, and etc. But it's safe to dampen a microfiber cloth with water and simple household soap and wipe your phone with it while paying attention to avoid all openings of the phone and wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth when completed. If you're thinking whether using liquid or bar soap, either of them will do the job as effectively as the other. But pay attention that usually bar soaps have less chemicals in them. If you want to know the RLU or relative light unit, which is the measure of microbial activity on your phone, check out BBC's channel to see the whole video down in the description. If you liked this video, please wash your hands first and then like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of any video released on my channel. Don't hesitate to follow me on my social media. My name is Kensei and I will see you on the next one. Yo, what's going on guys? Hello, I'm unsubscribed to that boy ASAP. Yo, sack of it guys. Oh no. Don't.